Throw my hair back in a ponytail real quick because I'm off to work. Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be trying out the E.L.F. Cosmetics Halo Glow Setting Powder. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I have done my foundation and my concealer. And now we are gonna go in with this E.L.F. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I picked this up the other day at Target. I'm almost out of setting powder. I ordered some off of Ulta, but I don't know if it's gonna be here before I run out. So I was like, well, let me get this as kind of like a backup until my Ulta order comes. So I wanna try this out and I wanna try it out with you guys. So let's see how it goes. So this says that this says that it sets makeup and creates a soft, focus, blurred finish. And I got the shade Light because I wasn't really sure. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, it says peel off and turn dial. Okay, well, where's the peel off? Oh. I have to turn the dial first and then peel it off. All right. So let's see how this sets my makeup. All right, so I'm just gonna dump a little bit into the cap here. And let's see how this goes. Can't really tell yet what's going on. Let me see what the back of this says really quick. So this says, want to make your skin look like it's wearing a beautiful filter. The silky, weightless texture of this setting powder drapes the skin for a dreamy, blurring, soft focus finish. Created with finely milled synthetic sapphire particles to give your skin a soft glow, helps smooth the appearance of fine lines and blur imperfections. Formulated to keep shine at bay and ensure makeup looks and feels fresh throughout the day. Okay, so I thought I saw some kind of shine within this powder. Okay, got a little bit too much right there. So this is called a setting powder. I don't know if I would use it as a setting powder. I might use it as almost as a finishing powder because it is shiny. See, it does have that synthetic sapphire particles to give you that glow from within. It is very, very pretty, but if you like to be more matte through your T-zone area, this powder is definitely not for you. Or maybe I'm just applying too much, but I'm trying to go as light-handed as possible. But it is a very, really pretty finish. Now, if you don't mind looking shiny through your T-zone area, this is definitely a really pretty powder to give you that kind of dewy glow. I am super jealous of the people who can get away with doing a full face of foundation and dewy products all over their face and not have to set it with heavy powders. Desi Perkins being one of them. Her skin is gorgeous and she can get away with doing like a full dewy face, glowy, gorgeous. And I can't because I get so oily throughout my T-zone area throughout the day. This powder is kind of that. It's going to set the face, but also give you that dewy kind of look that you're going for if you want that. As far as blurring and giving me a soft focus finish, I don't necessarily see it. I feel like the glow in the powder kind of accentuates my pores, but this would look extremely beautiful on someone who has flawless skin. I, however, do not have flawless skin. So I think the next time that I do this, I am going to maybe set my T-zone area or my bigger pore areas with a setting powder that's more geared towards covering the pores. And then maybe for the rest of the face, use this as kind of like a finishing powder to kind of give me that glow from within kind of look. But as far as setting my whole face with this, I don't know if it's for me, you guys. But like I said, it is a very pretty powder nonetheless. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little tiny review on the E.L.F. Cosmetics Halo Glow Setting Powder. Final thoughts on this powder, you guys. It is a beautiful powder, but if you do not like to be slightly shiny all over your face, then this powder is not for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.